Hey guys, I'm Krista with Northwest Paddleboarding, and I am going to show you how to load and strap your paddleboard to your roof racks by yourself. So we want to make sure that the paddleboard fin is up over the windshield, so you don't want the fin at the back of the board and you don't want it face down. You want it up in the air and towards the front of the vehicle, and that's so when you're driving down the road, if the straps start to loosen, the fin is going to catch on the straps before it starts flying off the back of your vehicle. So I'm going to show you how to put it up there, and then we'll strap it after that. All right, so I've got the front of the board towards the back of my vehicle, and I've got the back of the board where the fin is at away from the vehicle. The deck pad is facing away from me, so I'm at the back of the board. From here, I'm going to go grab where the fin is at, and I'm going to pull the board up over my head, and I'm just going to walk my hands down the board so I can lean it up against the car. From here, you can grab it from the bottom, lift it, and roll it right onto the car. Like that. Okay, so we're gonna take the buckle, and I like to just throw it up on top of the board, and then I'm gonna take the rest of my strap, and I'm gonna thread it underneath my crossbar. So the crossbar is what goes across, you have your side rails and then your I don't know if that's what they're called, but it's just the crossbar. So you're gonna tuck it underneath the crossbar, and I like to throw that to the other side too. And then I'll actually go over to the other side to finish it out. But while I'm over here, I'm gonna do the back one too. So you should have two straps. You'll have two crossbars on your roof rack. So I'm gonna throw this buckle up here, thread it underneath. Maybe. And then throw it over. Cool. We're gonna go to the other side. Okay, so now that we're on the other side, I am just going to thread this underneath the crossbar, just like I did on the other side. And then I will grab the very end of the strap, and I'll be able to thread it underneath and through the buckle, pulling on the buckle to get it nice and tight. And then you'll have a lot of extra rope depending on how many boards you're stacking up on top of your car, so you're just gonna kind of put it together. You can tie it around or thread it under so it doesn't fly around so much on the freeway. And then you're gonna do it with the second rope and you'll be good to go. As far as getting up on your vehicle enough to be able to reach, if you have a short vehicle, it's gonna be easy to do just from standing. If you have a taller vehicle like mine, I'm just standing on the tire, but I've had other ladies who just keep a little step stool in the trunk or in the back of their car so that they can use it to help strap up their board. Okay, and if you need to put two boards on top of your vehicle, you're gonna do it just like it looks behind me. So the first board is gonna be a little bit further forward, and then the second board is gonna be a little bit further back, so you can have both fins stay on the boards. If you have one board that's longer than the other, the longer one's gonna go underneath, and then the shorter one right on top. You're gonna strap them up just the same, and if you have two boards, you probably have two people, so you'll be able to help each other get them up there. Okay, and one more thing, a common question I get asked, we can transport inflatable paddleboards on top of your roof rack, just like a hardboard. You just want to make sure, extra sure, that it's fully strapped on there so it's not going to blow off, especially on the freeway. And if you have a really long inflatable paddleboard, or if you just want to take extra precaution, you can attach an extra strap to the D-ring at the end of your board, right where your leash attaches, and then attach it underneath the front of the vehicle. Just if you're going on a long freeway ride or anything like that, you can take that extra step. But otherwise, I've transported plenty of inflatables on top of my car the same way I do hardboards. Okay, so we do have these rack wraps in our store. They are to put over the crossbars on your vehicle to keep the deck pad safe on the board, and they do come with straps. If you need just the straps, we sell those as well, and they have the rubber buckle bumpers to keep your board safe so that you're not throwing the metal buckle up on top of your vehicle. And they're 12 foot in length, so you'll be able to strap a couple boards up on top and still have a little extra wiggle room with them. And so if you need them, we have these options. And I'm gonna bring it up overhead and walk my hands up the board so that I can lean the board against the car. I'm way off. We're gonna do that again. Rubber buckle bumpers. Rubber buckle bumpers. Rubber buckle bumpers.
Okay, it's wrong.
Oh. Hey.